Hey everyone, it's Sean and welcome to Invest with Fire. In this video, we're going to take a look to see if Chain is poised for a breakout. We're also going to take a look at Monero, DERO, and Ethereum. So first off, Chain. Chain right now we're trading at $2.71. And right here on the screen, I have the 20-week and the 21-week EMA plotted on this graph right here. And this is what I'm using to see if Chain is poised for a breakout. Now, if we look in the past right here, we can see that Chain, every time that Chain has pretty much flirted around these areas, this is where you can see if it's poised for a breakout. And just note that, like, if you take a look here, this Chain is a relatively new altcoin. So there's not too much data, but definitely the more time we have, the more confident I become in this indicator, because the more data points we have and the more history we have with Chain. So first off, we can see that once Chain broke this line right here, it broke out, right? It broke out until we couldn't hold that support anymore. And then again, we kind of went past this line, and then we hit it again, and then we're poised for this huge breakout here back in early 2021. And you can see again that we went through the support, and now we're battling this support again. Now I see that if we can break this support band right here, we're poised for another breakout. But definitely, we've broken it a couple times before, and we didn't go for a breakout. However, since Chain is such a small alt cap, Bitcoin still drives the market. And I'm also watching closely Monero. I really feel Monero, is kind of an early indicator to see how Chain is going to move. And now if we take a look at Monero, Monero has actually broken this support band right here. And so I'm closely watching it. And just looking at, just simply the trend of Chain, if we look at the day timeline right here, definitely good sign. Definitely good sign that we are trending upwards, obviously. It's always good to see it go up. But if I draw a simple line right here, it's going up, right? It's that simple. So yeah, I definitely see Chain coming up to the support line. I'm going to monitor to see if it holds it, just like how Monero did. Monero broke this support, went under, and now it's holding support right here. We'll see how long it can continue to hold support, but the more bullish I'm going to get is when it holds support for a couple of weeks. You can see right here, like, it just broke through the support, and they tried to break through it, and it just got rejected right here and went down. But we'll see, look at Monero, we went past this, and then we held a support, and then we went up for this massive run right here with Monero, right? And so that's what I'm talking about, holding support. If it holds support for a couple weeks, that's a very good indicator that it's poised for a breakout. Here on the screen, I have Monero plotted on Chain. And I know it's not the same scale, but I just want to see how similar these moves are with Monero and Chain. And you can see here, there's a lot of similarities right here. I know it's not the same scale, but I just really wanted to see the movements. And we can see that when Chain had this crazy run where this breakout right here, that's when Monero also went up. And then, when it crashed, it went down like that. So I definitely see a lot of similarities. And that's why I'm using Monero to kind of see what Chain is going to do. But again, I still think that Chain has better technology than Monero, but it's not exactly who has the better technology. It's more about what the market values. So taking a look at DERO. DERO is trading at $23.76. DERO is definitely making a run right here. It was back in January. It's around 63 cents. And so DERO is definitely making this move right here. And if we take a look at Ethereum, I plotted this line right here, and this is the date that that DERO came about. And so, you know, DERO is still really young, and it's a small market cap privacy coin. So there's not too much data to use right here, but just plotting, bringing up Ethereum again, I'm using Ethereum to see how DERO is going to move. And you can see here, I know it's not the same scale again, but you can see that there's a lot of similarities between how Ethereum moves and how DERO moves. And looking at Ethereum, Ethereum is above the support band right here. It's trading at 36.24 right here. And Ethereum is making this move right here. Let's look at the Ethereum dominance. So what this is basically how much does Ethereum have of the market cap compared to the other coins? And right now it's trading sideways right here. And if we take a look, going back to the charts again, so it kind of goes in line, right? When the dominance kind of trades sideways, that's when Ethereum trades sideways too. So I'm also watching that too. So that's it, everyone. I definitely think that Pirate Chain, it has some signs of life. And I think as long as we can break this support band and hold that support for a couple weeks, it's going to be a really good sign that Pirate Chain is poised for a breakout. Just like as we saw in the past. Every time it went past the support line and held support, it went up. But again, there's not much data on this, but I'm just kind of using what we have right here. And man, DERO is just on a tear now. So that's it, everyone. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you all have a great day. Take care.